Hey guys!
Hey!
So we're here with another unboxing.
Yep.
Which there's going to be quite a few of those coming out because I've gotten behind on filming and it's been a mess.
We've been going through a lot of stuff that has not been so happy. And the other day, Sophie got her OwlCrate Jr box and she tried to do a video with her older sister by herself. And her superpowers were not working very well. So we are taking a take two on it, and Mom's here now. So hopefully Sophie will be able to handle any superpowers that pop up. All right, so here we go.
All right, so the best way to follow OwlCrate is on social media. They have a YouTube channel, they have an Instagram, they have Facebook groups. It's really a great community. So yeah, let's dig into it.
You ready, Soph?
Yeah.
Okay, sit up here. Mom's gonna read the card.
Okay, so
I love this box.
Yeah.
You do.
So the theme for this month was myth
Do you want me to hold it up so they can see it better?
and might.
She's got it.
So
She's a pro at this.
it's a bunch of myths. It's really cute. There's a kid on the back reading a book in like a library setting. I love it.
All right, so Sophie, Mom's going to read the card, and Sissy's going to pull the stuff out so you can look at it. And it says, it can be an exhausting battle. Oh, it can be exhausting battling mythological beings all day. Just ask Percy Jackson. Rest up your next adventure on your new pillowcase inspired by the last Olympians.
You get one side, I get the other side.
It looks like a poster.
That is cool.
It's so big.
So let me see. It says, with great power comes great need to take a nap.
Me too.
But it looks like a big poster.
And the cool thing about the pillowcases that you get, because I got one from OwlCrate.
They're really, really soft.
Yeah.
Like, I
love
wish you
how
guys could feel this.
Yeah,
Right now.
that's cool. Now you guys both got a pillowcase
Yeah.
from OwlCrate. Okay, the next thing. It says you'll be an expert on Greek mythology in no time thanks to this hilarious Junior Genius guide. Ooh.
Man.
Hold it up so
So
everyone can
this
see
is
it.
a Junior Genius Guide for Greek Mythology by Ken Jennings. Sometimes they do send you
Let her
different
try it.
books.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Me and Sophie actually started reading this one last night. And it's pretty good so far. There's a lot of cute little facts. You want to show off some of the cute little illustrations. So it's really, I love it when they send more than one book.
Yeah, that's cool when you get a bonus. Okay, ready for the next thing?
I'm
All
just
right.
telling them to do some stuff.
Keep success, good fortune, and protection close at hand with your new pocket mirror featuring Ganesh,
I love this.
Lakshmi, and Indra. I hope I got those right. No offense to anyone who's Hindu. 3 of Hinduism's most important deities. Learn more in this month's book.
So, it comes in like a little red zip thing, or what is it?
Drawstring.
String bag, and it's like a really cute red drawstring bag, and inside the mirror, it's really cute. It has like this pretty illustration-ish thingy.
It's really cute. I enjoy it. And on the other side, it's a mirror.
And on the other side, it's like a cool mirror.
That's really cool.
Just show them
Yeah.
the computer. Just show them.
So that's cool. You can put that in your purse or in your makeup
And
bag.
if you really need to, you can be like, "Hi, how you doing, buddy?"
Yeah.
The mirror you can hold.
Okay, so the next thing is post a picture of your colored-in Norse mythology activity sheet using the hashtag OCJRMyths for your chance to win a cool prize.
So OC Junior. Okay.
Yeah,
What is
OwlCrate
this
Junior Myths. Yeah.
So it says Valkyrie. So you get Valkyrie on one side, a really cool coloring sheet.
That's really pretty.
And on the other side,
You get like a
have
word search.
a big word search
Yeah.
of Norse mythology.
That's really cool. Ways to keep you busy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This month's sticker.
Wait. Oh, sticker.
Yep, the sticker.
Okay.
Is of
I
Romulus
wanna
and
hold that.
Remus, twin brothers from Roman mythology who were raised
I was just about to say
raised
something
by
about
a
Remus
wolf
Lupin.
before growing up to create the city we now know as Rome. Who knew the founders of an ancient empire could be so cute?
It's Remus Lupin.
Show them.
I love that sticker, honestly. I love that they've been
really
incorporating a lot of really cute stuff
They
into
have.
the box.
They have.
So,
They have.
yeah.
I'm really happy with getting you guys.
And then-
OwlCrate.
Okay, so
Okay.
I want to show, before we get to the last thing that
Yes.
everyone's waiting
Because
for.
they never write about these on the cards.
They never write about these, but you always get, every month, you get a really cool pin that usually has something to do with that card, and you can usually find where your pin was in that card.
Yeah.
But I couldn't.
No.
Not this month.
This month.
That's okay.
Or if it doesn't incorporate with the card, it always incorporates with the theme.
With the theme.
And if you look, it's an owl. Even though this is OwlCrate Jr., if you ever watched the movie Clash of the Titans,
Yeah.
Bobo the owl was
Yeah.
created by one of the gods or goddesses to
And they always tell you what
Perseus.
number
Do you
box
want
it
to tell
is.
about the...
Yes.
well, we have to wait.
Sorry.
But they always tell what number it is and what the theme is.
Yep.
On the button.
Okay, so it says, after lighting a cursed lamp on a dare, Arusha,
Mm-hmm.
I think it is,
Yeah.
is thrust into a fantastical quest to save the world before the Lord of Destruction wakes up. Arusha and the End of Time is the beginning of an epic new series from, I think it's Roshani Chokshi?
Chokshi. That's.
I'm sorry if I mess
We're
up on
really
the
bad
names.
with this. She's
Yeah.
really bad with names. It's
So
okay.
now we're
Sure,
gonna look
wait
at...
a minute. Sure to keep you turning the pages until the very end. Your brand new book comes with a signed book plate, which every book in OwlCrate and OwlCrate
It's
Jr.
either you get a book plate or the book itself gets signed.
So by the author.
So.
An
Is that-
exclusive letter from the author and a special sleep mask to help keep the sleeper at bay. Happy reading and thanks for being awesome. Love, OwlCrate Jr.
Put it under your glasses.
Don't wake the sleeper.
I think I'm going to stay like this
Arusha.
for the rest of the video.
I think that me being the mom, that I need to wear that so that the kids know not to wake up mom.
So we're gonna look at it without the dust.
Yes.
Du-
I'm sure it'll look
dust.
great.
Without
Dust-
the dust cover. Yes, that's
Dust
the
cover.
thing. The girls love to see the books without the dust
They're
cover,
so
but
pretty.
apparently Rhiannon's not going to see it this month.
I'm just napping.
So it's a nice purple color. It kind of looks blue on the camera, but it's a nice dark purple color with gold writing.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
good
hate
job.
that my camera never shows how vibrant.
I know.
Like last month,
I know.
it was so purple and no one could see.
There was the one month where the pages were colored.
Yeah, that was
And
last
then-
month.
Oh, yeah. And then
I have
you
a
couldn't...
dark-
I literally had to
But,
post a picture.
guys, I wanted you to have a close-up of the
I
mask.
can give it. I can do it.
Don't Wake the Sleeper, Rusha, and it's got 2 straps on the back to hold it on.
So you want to read this?
Yes.
So
and-
this is the letter.
Yeah.
Oh.
And if anyone
Here's
noticed,
the picture on the back of the letter. It's a picture of the dust cover of the book.
and I don't know if anyone noticed because we didn't talk about it, but it's actually, the book is like
Yeah,
produced
that's right.
by Rick Riordan, who does Percy Jackson and all the
Yeah.
whole myth books.
And I noticed too, it is, was it this book or was it something else I was looking at? It's
yeah,
Disney.
It's
part of
Disney Hyperion.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm excited to dig into this one with
Okay.
Sophie. What do you think?
Yeah. Thumbs up. All right, so let's read the letter from the author. It says, "Dear reader, think fast. There's a demon right behind you." Okay, fine, I'm joking. The only demons you'll find are inside this book. Don't, what is that? But don't worry. There's more than just demons. There's magic, too. Flying
Horses,
and rude
birds,
birds and
stores where you can buy ripe wishes like a bag of apples.
okay. Some of these, sometimes you can't read them.
Yeah,
really.
but
really
it's
hard.
really awesome. Someone addressed that, and in a YouTube video, Karina, who runs OwlCrate, said it's very important, like to her, that they're handwritten.
Oh,
that
yeah,
they feel
because it
very
makes it more personal, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
as,
some of them are harder to read than others.
as a notorious...
I don't know what that is. I think it's Ryan or Rian. I don't know.
I don't know. 12-year-old Ruth thought all the stories her mother told her were, well, stories. But when she's forced to light a supposedly cursed lamp, she'll discover that maybe there was more truth to those tales than she thought. I wrote a rue for all the kids like me. Kids who told tales to make their life seem more magical. Kids who never saw their name or skin color front and center in a story. Kids who wanted to be part of the tale. I hope you enjoy her adventures and watch out for demons. Roshani.
So
that's really cool. It's a very diverse book.
And it's really pretty. It's just...
I could show.
Yeah. The handwriting was a little hard to read. But still great.
I think we did good. There was only one word that we actually couldn't make out.
Yeah. And I don't know if that's a specific word to the story.
Right,
Sometimes you get those where you're like...
Did you show them the
Yes.
names?
Yes.
Okay.
So, next month, I'm very excited. For next month.
What is next month for her?
Monster Mash.
Oh! Hold that up so they can see
Next month is going to be all monster up.
Oh,
all
sorry.
monsters.
Wrong way.
All the time.
There we go.
Very excited.
Monster Mash.
Okay, can I read the back of this one?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of creepy creatures do you suppose live beneath the ground? You'll find out soon, brave reader. Our May book pick is a no.
Where? Show mommy the word. Uproarious.
Ooh.
Adventure.
That's a long word.
Full of surprises, danger, and, you guessed it, monsters. This box is perfect for fans of the Spiderwick Chronicles. I love the series Spiderwick Chronicles.
I was trying to scare you.
I love the series.
I guess I'm not a good monster.
I love the series Spiderwick Chronicles. It is such a good series. I recommend it to you, and I loved the movie, so you should do that. Yeah.
You should do that one.
And you should give a like on this video.
Yeah,
Yes.
give a like or a comment, subscribe, and click the bell, ring the bell, I don't know.
Ring the bell, and then you get notifications whenever her
Get
new videos come out.
notifications for when her new videos come out.
Because we have quite a few.
Yeah.
I'm sure they will be really good.
Yeah.
We actually have like 4 more boxes
Four
to fill.
unboxings to do
today.
tonight.
I have
Yep.
a little bit more. Here.
What? Okay, go for it. She didn't get to finish
Oh.
reading her card.
Fable Haven
Oh, Fable Haven.
and the Hero's Guide to Saving Your Kingdom.
Okay. That was awesome.
And
You
it
did an
has
awesome
like
good
a
job,
little
Sophie.
monster. It kind of looks like a spider.
All right.
Oh, look. That looks like that thing that was in the aquarium. What was that?
Sea urchin.
A
With its
sea
little
urchin
eye.
with its little eye. We were at the library this week, and at our public library, they have this huge, like, octagon type aquarium, and it's a saltwater tank, and yeah, Rhiannon was not digging
Downtown.
the sea urchin with the little orange eye.
Its little eye moves.
It
It like goes in and out. It's the most terrifying thing.
Where is that?
Yeah, well, you know what? We'll show you next time we go to the Ann Arbor Public Downtown Library.
I literally looked it up. Why are their eyes orange?
Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't see the sea urchin.
But guys, we got a lot of taping to do. I'm glad Sophie was able to keep her superpowers in check and do her unboxing with us. And we will see you some more tonight. Like we said, there's 4 boxes left still to do. So I'm sorry that the videos aren't on a regular basis, but
We're working on it.
we're working on it, and we post them whenever we can. So hopefully more companies will sponsor, and
Yeah, I've been sent some boxes from some companies.
yeah.
So we're going to get into those later. But we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Bye.